by next 5 minutes. Before that, we want the student name and program name and which university you belong to. Prabhakar sir, once the session is started, we can record, sir. Until that, keep on hold. One of the technology only we are going to see today, it is all about augmented reality. This augmented reality is right now, it has a good market and widely many industry are intent to use this. And many of the students are thirsty by learning this, but you have to know exactly how to learn and how to implement it to the right product. Because right now this is one of the interesting selling value to the many of the products. So I request each one of you to learn and ask your queries. And it may be not only for one number of, it can be any number of products, starting from shoes, it can be for a pizza box, it can be done in any kind of like juice bottles, or it can be on any kind of newspaper advertisements, or it can be for any kind of products. In day-to-day basis, you are seeing it can be for any products. These days, you I think many of you used to buy products, but you never used to turn back and check what is inside the ingredients. By doing this, you will let know the users or the buyers, consumers, to let to know how the product is and how it is made and how detailly you want to, what type of information you want to tell them. You can tell everything in a very interesting and very attractive method using augmented reality, using some interesting graphics methods. Today, our Pravakar sir, senior game development faculty from Jain University, is going to take us through how this augmented reality can be used efficiently in the marketing ads. And he's going to take through a presentation as well as even a nice demonstration. And I think you can ask your doubts. And I want everyone to be very interactive and ask all your queries so that he can able to answer your queries and get resolved with all your doubts and everything. Over to you, Prabhakar sir. Warm welcome. Please go ahead, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, students. Hi.
Afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I need more input. No? Okay. Today we discuss about marketing ads using AI. Okay. So first, why we use for marketing? So whatever product we create, no. So without marketing, the end user don't know about that product. So marketing plays a major role in your things, whatever, if you run your product company and everything, and also in your digital also. For example, when you create some games, publish in your app store, no one know that. Without marketing, how we identify that? Okay, so digitally, some video marketing will be there and some paper advertisement. So now we go for AI. With the help of AI, how to promote our product. Okay, in this session, okay, we discuss about 4 things. These are the things we discuss about that. First one, yeah. So what is AI? So give some introduction to AI. Next, introduction to Vuforia. With the help of Vuforia, we done some AR subs. So a lot of plugins are there. Vuforia and AR Foundation, TNDC, lot of plugins are there. But we go for Vuforia today. Okay. Next, why AR advertisement? Okay. So normal advertisement also there. In paper ads are there, video ads are there. Why we are go for AR advertisement? Next, how to integrate Vuforia Unity with the help of Vuforia. So you create one ad. Okay. So yeah. So first AR. Student, yeah. And sorry, I asked one name. Manan Vyas, what do you think about AR? What is AR? Do you have any idea about that? Sayed, do you have any idea about that? What is AR? So first we think about AR. Okay, so in AR, I said we in your real world. Okay, so we play some virtual data or virtual content. Okay, for example, isn't VR isn't different content. We full and full we work with your virtual world. You enter your virtual world, but AR in real world that virtual data communicate with your real world. So you place some object or with this you scan some QR code, you play some videos, that kind of things. Okay. Next, India. So okay, so we placed in your smartphone and your PC also. Now your PC also supporting AR content. Okay. So Unity and with some plugins. They introduce some plugins. That plugin support to in PC version also. Okay. How AR works? Okay. So with the help of your camera, you create the illustration of your. For example, when you scan your table, okay. So with the table width and height, the camera itself, that AI identify that and create some illustration of your table. So some dots. Okay. For example, face. In your face mask, how it identify that? So your important parts, it's identify your nose and eyes and mouth. Okay. This important markers of in your face. Okay. So with the help of that, it will be so apply some mask over there and everything. Okay. So it will be first, it will be create the illustration and then it will be identify that object. Okay. So identify the width and height and everything. Based on that, it will be okay. For example, in your ground plane, so it's a horizontal plane or vertical place. So everything identify that every dot. Check the dot. What are the endpoint? It will be placed some dots. Okay, the dots apply in horizontally or vertically. So that's the thing. Depending on that, it will identify. Okay, these much space are there. This place is able to place some objects. So with the help of that illustration, it will identify that. So the same thing, that marker also. Okay. So when you create that image, okay, your program typically it will create some illustration and scan open your app and scan the same image. This illustration and that illustration are equal or not. Is it equal? Then it will play the videos or play just show your whatever your 3D model over there. It will show like this. Okay. Next thing. Yeah. So characteristics of AR. Okay. First, it combines real and virtual world. Okay. So that's the difference between AR and VR. VR is only is in the virtual world, but AR combination of real world and virtual world, and also interact with the real time. So in your, for example, with the help of virtual pattern, you directly touch the object. Okay. Next is in 3D. Erase is in 3D. So 3 dimensions. Okay. Yeah. So hope you understand what's AR, how it works. So you have any doubts in AR and how it works? Why we go for anyone? So I column में Sean yeah, Avinash Kumar, any doubts regarding this? Okay, no one replied. Okay, next we go for the plugins in Vuforia. Okay, so I already told lot of plugins supported in AR content. Why we go for Vuforia? Okay, with the help of Vuforia SDK. So Vuforia is one of the most popular plugin. Okay, so it supports even low-end mobile also. So what's the difference between other plugin and this one? So if you go for AR foundation, okay, they combine all the things. For example, your content detection and image target, everything combined by one package. So that's a reason are unable to run in low-end mobile. But this Vuforia they created, they have each and everything by separate by different packages. So image target. So if you work with image target, it will support more mobiles because of lot of mobile supporting image form target, but only few mobile supported in ground plane reduction. So if you work with AR foundation, they have all packages under only one package name. So that's the reason automatically it will be loaded. But in Vuforia, they separate each and every packages. So that's the reason it will be support low and mobile also. If you go, yes, 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 hello, yeah. Yes, okay. So most of the companies use on Vuforia. Reason, so in our requirement, only image target. Okay, so it will support more mobiles. Yes, in chat window, 1 minute. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, okay, no issue. Okay. If you go for some other plugin, they combine each and everything. So that's why our supported mobile isn't count will be low. So that's why a lot of companies go for Vuforia only. Okay. Next. Yeah. Yeah. So already I told Vuforia supports leading phones, tablet, and eyewear. So everything. So it will support Android and iOS. Okay. Next. Yeah. Why AR ads? It's an important thing because of in my, so if you want to promote your you give some ads and paper ads something that's enough, but why we are go for AR ads? So AR means that people directly interact with that ads. For example, when I go for buy some shoes, okay, in marketing shop, directly they scan our legs, directly place the shoe over in our leg. So easily we change the colors and everything. So that's it. If you work with AR marketing, directly people emotionally connect with your product. So that selling rate go fine. So for some example, in some one market, is an one of my friend company, they develop what's it? So the dresses. Okay. So in front of glass, they go there and scan the whole body and apply over the dress over there. And easily they change the color, stress, and everything. So finally, they found their dresses. So without things, without this AR stuff, the shopkeepers are don't they don't, because of the corona they don't give to wear the dress also. So just look at that and so how we identify this dress suitable or not. So the but with the help of AR, we do it. And also some shops in shoes and eyewear, so glasses, so everything. Okay, I placed some video. Okay, yeah, just see that this video have some AR ads. How AR ads support in your market? Is it audible? See, first they create the road, is a car company of there, create the road and show them how our car move over there. See, this is a look of our car. Is an Amazon app. Okay. So this another one. Yeah, so check it out. They scan the product. Okay. So now we start with how to create one AR ads. So it's an image based ad. Okay. First, I download videos from YouTube. Okay. This is a video. Okay. This is a car video. So sounds are missing. Okay. 1 minute. So it's an ad for BMW car. Okay. Next, I have an image. Okay, this is an image, only simple black image. So just think about it. In your, if you go somewhere, if you seen this banners, it's an only empty banner. So most of the people are going to, what is this? So that question arises from most of the people. Okay. So then here in downstairs, we don't okay, scan that image. So when they scan the image, then we show your ads. Okay. Yeah. First, so everyone know that. Just open your Unity itself. Second, first register in your Euphoria. Okay. So here I go on developer.euphoria.com. I share this URL to in your chat box. Okay. Yeah. Full screen not visible. Sorry. Yeah. So in your chat box, I show the URL developer.euphoria.com. Okay. There itself you create your login. Okay. Otherwise, I log out again. I will log in. Okay. 1 minute. So login or register. If you are a new user, go to register. Already have a login. Go to login. So enter your username and password. Click login. Okay. So first I press home. Next, we have to download Euphoria plugin. Okay. So goes to downloads. This is your first step. First, create your login. Next, go to downloads. Okay. Okay. So here, add Euphoria engine to Unity project or upgrade the latest version. Just you click it and download it. Okay. So already I downloaded. Okay. So please and I agree and download it. Okay. So already I download this location. So add Euphoria package already I downloaded. Okay. Create your Unity project. Okay. And 5. So default it will be came in console edition. Okay. So you go to your build setting. Default is an PC and Mac version. Now you go select your Android or iOS. Okay. And switch your project. When I select no, switch platform. You just switch your project. Okay. So after switching, okay, just asset, import package, custom package, select your Euphoria. Okay. So So select your Euphoria package. Package also already I imported. Okay. See that all asset I already imported. It will automatically upgrade your project. Next, if you want upgrade your Unity package, go to help. Okay. Here itself, Unity, sorry, Euphoria engine, check for update. If you want upgrade, you have to upgrade your Unity engine. Okay. Next. Yeah. Next important thing, Euphoria configuration. Okay. So in your Euphoria configuration, we need your license. See, this is your license. Okay. You get it from Euphoria developer.com. Okay. So go to develop. So yeah, get development key. So license name is in BMW car. Okay. So confirm it. So now select that BMW cars and copy your license from here. Okay, copy your license. Go to your this thing, delete, sorry, Control A, backspace, and paste your license. Okay. Yeah. Next, here in your library, okay, if you want any help, so for example, how to work with this thing. Yeah, here go here itself, select Unity. They have some tips how to use your Euphoria in your Unity program. If you want, you get the reference from over there. Okay. Otherwise, next, troubleshoot. During your development, I face some troubles. How can I resolve that? So they gave some default troubleshoot also. You never go to support. Here itself, they support everything. They give some default troubleshoot on everything. For example, if you give some duplicate .io file exception means where you can place change it. They give that suggestion also. If you want, you go there and check it. So here, yeah, topics overviews. Yeah, how to enable Luria. Whatever that article you want, you have to go there and read it. Okay. So how to developing for HoloLens, how to work with HoloLens. You just click it there. They give that full tutorial also, how to work with your HoloLens. Okay. What are the things we added? So how it works, everything they go. Okay. Yeah, these are that. Yeah. Still now, any doubts? Still now, any doubts? Ajay Kumar, any doubts? Otherwise, any doubts? And Nishan, any doubts? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, no. Okay, cool. Next, Here, if you next I select, I already told I work with image target. Okay, so select Unity. Here you get the reference from here. Okay, adding four engine features, adding digital asset, prints and paints in everything. Whatever help you want, you go there and so in your API Unity. So you get the reference from over there. Now, yeah, already I have ads image. Okay, second I have a video. I import both things. Just drag and drop to import this. Okay. Next, what we do? Yeah, I delete everything. Okay. Yeah. Before that, okay. So file in your build setting, go to your pair setting, change your minimum API requirement. Okay. So at least yeah. Yeah. So wait some time to calculate your APIs. Okay, you change your minimum requirement. Okay, whatever product you create, no, you only set your what is the minimum requirement of your product, because some features supported from Marshmallow onwards. Okay, so Android 6, sorry, yeah, Android after Android 6 onwards. So if you work with Google Play services, after Android 6 onwards, it will work. Before it's not supported. So that's the reason. If you work with any software, first we set your minimum API log. Okay, important. That's one important thing, because of you use some things for some plugins. That plugin supported onwards 7 or 9 onwards, but your minimum API level is an 4 means. KitKat means what we do that Play Store itself allowed to install, but some features not supported. The player get irritated. So that's why if you work with any product, first you set your minimum API level. After that, your company, default company, I work with in I make it Jane. Okay. So product name, I use BMW ads, ADS. Okay. So your version control is more important, because of that version, every tell the story. Because of version 1, these are the features are there. Version 2, these are the features are there. So okay, based on that version, each and every company, whatever company goes, no, based on the version, they maintain the features. Okay, for upcoming features means up to this version, up to support these features. The company itself decide it and upload it. Okay, next icon. So in your default icon, in your product, whatever icon you want, you place it here or place it here. We have they supported adaptive and rounded and legacy icon based on so you have okay only I have only one icon, that's enough for me, means paste it here. Otherwise, select one by one. For example, it's an yeah, that size, based on that size you select your icon. If you used common icon, what okay, so 512 into 512, but your icon size is a smaller, means 216 into 216, it will getting little bit pixelated. So that's the reason. Based on, so even if you work with some product, you use separate icon for each and every size. Otherwise, sometimes it will be blur, sometimes it will be pixelated if you use common icon. Okay. Next, after icon, so your resolution and presentation is an important thing. Okay. So based on your project, you select your mode, portrait or landscape. So my project is a landscape, because of That video is in play is in landscape only. So that's why I select landscape. Okay. Next, flash image. If you want, you place your flash image. Okay. Other setting. Other setting, graph view levels. Okay. So you select your graph view levels, and after that, important settings. Your minimum API requirement. I select API level 26. Okay. So your package name came defaultly com dot your company name and your product name. If you want to change it, you select this one and change your package name. Okay. So I don't want to change that. Next target API level. Okay. So target API level, you select Android API level 30. The reason less than 30, Android API level less than 30, that Play Store unable to approve that. If you want to upload your game in Play Store, your target API level must be 30. Okay, so that's a rule. Next, yeah, scripting background. If you want, change IL to CPP. Also, that's also important. That your architecture, that's Arc is a 64 only supported. If you 64, we need 64 for when you upload your product in your Play Store. We know our ARM architect level is at 64. Okay, so that's why you change your product this key to IL to CPP. Okay, so automatically I change it IL to CPP. Wait some time. It's enabled. So we select ARM 64. Okay, so if you that's some condition over there. When if you upload your game in Play Store, minimum API level, one condition. Second condition, your architect 64 you must. Okay, so we use both 64 and 7. Okay, split APK. This helps to split even your ARM 7 have separate APK, ARM 64 have separate APK. It will split two APKs. Okay, so based on your requirement, ARM 7 or 64. Okay, so another important thing, yeah. So allow unsafe code. It takes time sometimes. The validation takes sometimes. Okay. Next, yeah. In your publish setting, if you want, you create your key store. Currently, I don't want to create my key store. So these are the important settings. Okay. Split application binary is an important one. The reason your Play Store allowed maximum 50 MB. If you are in your app more than 50 MB, you split your application binary or use asset bundle. Okay, asset bundle the same thing. You can change your asset into one bundle and save it in your cloud whenever you want. You download the asset bundle and use in your game. The same thing in your class of plan, they give partial update. With the help of asset bundle, they done it. They bundle it and save in some other place. Whenever they want, they download it and use it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Okay. So after import everything, okay. So import your image, add image and your video image. Okay. So in your configuration, we done it. In your video, we used video property. Okay. So in your video property, video player. Okay. First one, I use ads name. So in your video itself, we have, yes, source directly you get it from videos to a URL. Okay, if you use URL, we need direct URL. So you go for, you download some videos, no? If you yeah, I want to play some YouTube videos, means what we do here, YouTube, what do you do? I want to play some yeah, 1 minute. ADS. Yeah, so this is an URL. Okay, so change your YouTube URL to YouTube direct URL. So with the help of direct URL generator, we change your URL. Okay, so YouTube URL generator. So any one of, you select any one of your YouTube URL generator and change your, get your direct URL. Okay, so here enter your YouTube URL. So your output URL is there. So this is your direct URL. Otherwise, you go to some other place also. So is, see, if you want preview, you preview your things. Okay. So get the direct URL. See, this is your, 1 minute. Not supported. So you generate your use the use of your YouTube direct URL generator and get your URL. Okay, then paste over there. Okay, here select URL, paste it here. Okay, so now I directly import my video content inside our project. So that's why this one is no need, just video clip. Okay, and drag and drop your clip over there. So next, play and away. Okay, I remove that. Okay, so wait for first frame. There is, I put it on low. Okay, so play speed is on 1. If you want more than 1, you play. It's at time frame will be different. Okay, audio direct sound and everything. Next, I check that video runs or not. Just remove it. Sorry, there is no texture. Add in your 3D object. Go for quad. Do you know what's the difference between quad and plane? Anyone? What's the difference between quad and plane? Anyone? Hello? Little bit louder. It's a try. When I check with that 1 minute, I run. Okay, I run the game. I show you what's the difference between quad and plane. Why I am using quad? I show you. Okay, so check your stat. Okay, see, check your set Pascal and everything. When I use plane, okay, 3D object, I use plane. Okay, I use some cameras. One minute. I create one camera. Okay, I show the difference between quad and plane. Okay, you easily identify it. Yeah, your set Pascal for I used plane 3D object. Plane. Check your tries. So see your tries. Direction light. No shadow. Yeah. I just switch off. Check your tries. 1.9K patches 3 set Pascal 3. Okay. Yeah. I switch on. Yeah, 1.9K. See? So when I switch off plane, just remove that. Okay. See. So, and use plane. Yeah. Your vertices, check your vertices 5.2K and this one. Add 3D object quad. Yeah. So comparatively, your vertices and this thing, your tracer less comparatively isn't your plane is a little bit high. Okay, so it really patches that shape. And also 1 minute for also vision 90. Second thing, your rendering part. Okay, if you work with plane, it will render. So 1 minute, I remove that code. Sorry. Your rendering part also, if you work with quad, it will, if you have only 4 edges will be there. But if you in your plane, okay, so it is nearly a lot of tries and verticals, lot of vertices are there, but quad isn't only 4 edges only. So that's why if you work with optimized game, we go for quad. Okay, so if you're in mobile version, most of the developer used quad only. Okay, so next, so I remove that plan and quad, delete your ads, switch on it. Okay, so already I told add, I add video player and add this ads. Okay, so next I play the game, that video correctly run or not, I check it out first. Okay. So it will be worked, right? Next, yeah, what we do, import your Euphoria engine. First we need AR camera. Okay, so I work with AR camera, I remove our old camera, right? Delete your AR camera. Yeah, so in your Euphoria behavior is an device first target or switch target. Okay, so default is an device, is an sender coordination point. Based on your device, it will be change, fix your point. For example, you play 5,5 means, okay, based on your device or based on first target, it will assume that your coordination graph. Okay, second, yeah, your configuration part already we placed everything. Okay, next is an image based. Okay, so plus Euphoria engine image target. Okay, so based on your image, it will be worked. So I added image target also. Here, type from image from database cloud report. Okay, so first, we work with from image only. Okay, select from image, drag and drop your image over there. So now your target assigned. See, so I put an also. This is your target. I remove that. See, this is your target. Okay, next what we do, you fix your quad to your image target because that video played in that particular area, so that's the reason. Okay, so select your quad and make it 90 and place over there. So in your ads under your image target, just y0 is a 0, directly it will be fixed. Okay, so in your sheet 0.01, then it will came up. So currently put it on minus and resize it. Okay. So now save it. Your ads, so little bit up. So now I run the. So when I run, okay, that images and videos, everything hide, but I hear that voice. See that audio, I able to hear that audio. How can I show that audio? I able to hear that audio, so that's we need some scripts to control that audio. Okay. Can I share that audio? So now we write some scripts over there. Okay. So in plus a C# script and audio or video play. What we do when that your render is is it your mesh render is enabled, then we play the video. Otherwise, we stop that video. Okay, stop or pause the video. Okay. So this is a scenario. We open it. So students, still have any doubts? Yeah. I open that video play. It's opening. Okay. So one minute. So import using your import your package Unity engine dot video. Okay. Otherwise, what we do, select your ads, get your render part. Okay. So yeah, select your ads and it's a mesh render, right? So here what we do, use game object instead of game object, used mesh render. Okay, so again serialize this field also. Here, video object dot enable. Is it rendered means, okay, underscore player dot play. Okay, otherwise what we do, else part, else underscore player dot stop. Okay, yeah, now I play. Sorry, I forgot to attach the script, so that's why it's not working. So in ads, okay, just attach your video play script over there. How many times I want to do? So the same object will drag over there and also add something drag over here. Yeah. Now I play the game. Yeah. Currently it's work for okay. Yeah. Now build setting. Add open stream. Okay. So the audio set based on this is that is index. Okay, it will come one by one. Okay. Next, build. Okay, I share the build in your chat box. Okay, just make it as an sample. Make a build. Okay. Yeah. So sharing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just kindly fill your feedback over through that link. Okay, once I share. Okay. It will take minimum half an hour. This is a first build, so that it will take minimum half an hour. Okay. So yeah, you have any doubts till now? Otherwa. Any doubts? Okay. So in the chart window, yes. Hi, sir. Prashant Singh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That thing over. Okay.
Sir, can you stop the recording if the workshop is over? The session webinar is over.
Okay. Okay. I saw the recording. Yeah.